Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum, XRP, Solana, BNB, Dogecoin, Cardano, and then we end it with Tron at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. So here we are for Bitcoin. Feels to me like Bitcoin is going higher. Could this be a bullish continuation? Or could this be a series of mountains? Could it be a mountain range? Drop lower? Yes, no? Again, this is not a bearish reversal yet. We still don't see any bearish reversals yet for BTC. Yes, this is a bearish engulfing, but yes, this is also a shooting star. But if you look at the preceding trend, right, it's still very strong in terms of its buying pressure. So I suspect there's a high likelihood that we could take out these highs, right? But this is just a signal that the end may not be too far away. Potentially, but again, as you don't see any clear bearish reversal chart patterns yet, so as it stands, we are kind of still good for a potential higher high. So that's our take for BTC. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. Okay, so here we are for Ethereum. Is Ethereum gearing up for a symmetrical triangle bullish reversal? Yes, no, not too sure. Again, we have been in a downwards trend under the skinny pink line. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs all the way. So yeah, again, we're still anticipating these classes of cells to be taken out. So the possibility still remains that FBTC continues on its bearish trend. F against USD, we are above the skinny pink line, yes, but we kind of touch it. So the question now we have is, are we going to get mountains? If we go all the way back up, right, close to these highs here, and we stay here, oh, ladies and gentlemen, this could be an inverse head and shoulders. Potentially, right? And this could be a spoof, a blast off towards potentially 10,000, potentially 10,000. So, but as it stands, yeah, we're still not entirely sure yet because there's just not enough information, right? It's probably going to take several more weeks, I would say, before it completes. But if I had to guess, right, I'm leaning towards the downside. Why? Because when we rallied, we got pulled back down here, right? Again, who's to say that we might just, might not, just get a pullback down towards the skinny pink line, and then we break it to the noisy area over here at around 2006, roughly 2006. So, yeah, we could do something like this though. Right? I mean, of course, because of us, but we're hoping for a proper high quality chart pattern. Another concern is that once we break down towards this area, we're already under the skinny pink line. So the trend may, bring us all the way down. We're still anticipating these classes of cells to be taken out. So Ethereum could drop down to sub 1,004. So we are watching out for a potential drop to sub 1,004. If this happens, then this would be fantastic in terms of its potential, right? Before we break towards 10,000. It'll be fantastic, absolutely fantastic. But as it stands, we'll take things one step at a time for Ethereum. XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. Okay, so XRP is super bullish. More upside, we hope so, but the chart pattern just isn't there yet. Against USD, XRP is, we're in a consolidation. And this is a symmetrical triangle. And this looks to me like an ABCDE. Feels like an E is about to complete. And then there could be a breakout. Right? As long as BTC doesn't collapse, XRP has potential to go much, much higher. If you look at it from a higher time frame perspective, right, we have our target at $6.10. We're only at 241. So a continuation towards the upside, yeah, very likely. Very likely something that could happen. So yeah, we're anticipating this 610 eventually, right? We might just drop a bit lower though, to 160 before heading higher, right? Potentially. So yeah, again, the noisy area is here and also here. If anything, right, I would anticipate 110, around somewhere above $1 for XRP to drop to. This would be fantastic though. I would prefer a retrace before going higher. I mean, sure, of course we could, just head higher, but yeah, 610 is still our target for XRP. Solana against BTC is already under the skinny pink line. If anything, Sol BTC is already in a bearish trend. If anything, we are anticipating more downside to come for Sol BTC. But fret not, because this is a bigger. It's like as if the Sol whales have big plans for Solana eventually, right? To go past BTC, to go much more higher than BTC eventually, right? But before that happens, we have to have proper accumulation, and proper accumulation means we have to be riding the roller coaster down and up and down and up and down before we have the explosion. So as it stands, yeah, I still suspect that Sol BTC is gonna hit lower. Sol against USD, there's weakness. We feel the weakness, right? When there is a breakout, we would anticipate it to continue higher and higher. But this doesn't feel like a breakout impulsive move towards the upside. If anything, we're going closer to the skinny pink line. Right, we already touched it over here, and this is already a warning sign. So if anything, I'm leaning towards Solana heading much lower. Right, I mean, sure, of course, we could be wrong and things could just hit higher, but as it stands, we don't have any clear targets for Solana. BNB against BTC don't look too good. We are under the skinny pink line, anticipating a lower low. Still anticipating a lower low at this point of time. Against USD, BNB is above the skinny pink line. We have a target over here, 1,002 and 1,005. More upside, yes. But how much longer are we going to be crawling up before a potential sudden zip down? Because this all depends upon BTC. But as it stands, we're kind of still in a bullish trend, although we've already crossed the skinny pink line. Yeah, again, no strong opinions for BNB. Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still above the skinny pink line on the DOGE BTC pair. Could we still hit a little bit higher? Yes, sure, of course. For sure, of course. Our hope is that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Best case scenario. And this is good, to be honest. We like to see this development. So just consolidate a little bit longer. Pump. Next wave up. DOGE against USD. Here we are. Yeah, same thing. The goal is $1. Right now we're at 40 cents. Yeah, we would love to see proper consolidation first for Dogecoin. So as it stands, yeah, we're just waiting. We are just waiting for the Dogecoin wheels to do their thing. ADA against BTC. Here we are for ADA. Anything for ADA? Yeah, we're above the skinny pink line for ADA BTC, which is fantastic. Hopefully, consolidate here. Have something like an inverse head and shoulders appear. And then that's it. We continue higher. And we could be completing the huge, absolute gigantic symmetrical. You see this? Oh my god. When it blasts off, it will be fantastic. But again, I still think that is probably years away before it breaks. So yeah, but it pays to make preparation when you see the sign coming in. Right, ADA was dropping again and again and again and again until suddenly, bam, it goes up. Aha! Now we wait for the proper retrace. So as it stands, I don't know if this is going to be an ABC. This will be fantastic if it happened. It could be 5 waves down as well. Would be even more fantastic. But as it stands, yeah, I suspect we'll still have time when it comes to putting on trades for ADA. Against USD, ADA is above the skinny pink line. On the weekly, on the daily, we are also still above the skinny pink line. We're still anticipating ADA to hit a little bit higher. How much? About 192, right? $1.09. So the anticipation is for a consolidation over here, right? You can count the waves. 1, 2, 3. Suspect this is a 4 and a potential 5 up, right? Hopefully, retrace. Get us something of a squeeze, right? Doesn't have to be textbook perfect, but we would love to identify lower highs and higher lows. That'd be awesome. And after that, we break out. 192. So as it stands, yeah, ADA looks good. Tron against BTC. Here we have a Tron. Tron is still above the skinny pink line, which is great. More upside, yeah, potential more upside could be coming on, but again, no strong opinion for Tron BTC. Against USD, still above the skinny pink line. Trend is still bullish. Again, this is a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower. But yeah, chart pattern wise, it's just nothing for us to work with. So yeah, there we are. There we are for Tron. Alright, boys and girls. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.